contact over South Cap, and just verify your comms with Eagle 1 and Falcon 1. Are you in air-to-air comms with Eagle 1, Guardian 3, and Falcon 1? Are you in air-to-air comms with Eagle 1, Guardian? In air-to-air comms with Eagle 1, Guardian 3, and Falcon 1. Okay. We're 200 feet over the, just south of the approach on the 3-3. Just verify your comms with Eagle 1 and Falcon 1. Are you in air-to-air comms with Eagle 1, Guardian 3, and Falcon 1?
Right now.
Get down low, or can you stay up high? Eagle 2, Washington, altimeter 2996, rate of contact over South Cap.
Yeah, so listen, while we've been here, just a little ago we were talking to you and kind of giving you the scene here, and a young man.
Masz rację, to co teraz Państwo widzą, to co Państwu pokazujemy, to jest część tej akcji ratunkowej. Ten śmigłowiec, który tutaj non-stop lata, to jest jeden ze śmigłowców ratunkowych.